In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Life360 app on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is head over to the App Store. Just tap on the App Store icon and wait for it to open up completely. Once it loads, you'll see the main App Store screen with featured apps and suggestions. Now, at the top of the screen, tap on the search bar. When the keyboard pops up, go ahead and type in Life360. As you're typing, you might already see it appear in the suggestions, but either way, once you've typed it out, tap search on your keyboard. You should now see Life360 in the search results. Make sure you're selecting the correct app. It should be the official Life360 app. Once you're sure you've got the right one, tap on the Get button next to it. If you've downloaded it before, this might show a cloud icon instead, but either way, just tap it to start the download. At this point, your iPhone may ask you to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Go ahead and confirm that, and then just give it a moment. You'll see the app start downloading, and once it's done, it will automatically install on your phone. You don't need to do anything else here, just wait for it to finish. Once the installation is complete, the Get button will change to Open. That's how you know the app is fully installed and ready to use. You can tap Open directly from the App Store, or you can go back to your home screen and look for the Life360 icon there. When you open Life360 for the first time, the app may ask for certain permissions, like notifications and location access. Make sure you allow these when prompted, since Life360 relies on them to work properly. Without these permissions, some features might not function the way they're supposed to. And that's really it. You've gone to the App Store, searched for Life360, tapped Get, and let your iPhone handle the installation automatically. It's a quick and simple process, and once the app is installed, you're ready to move on to setting up your account or signing in. So again, all you had to do was open the App Store, use the search bar at the top, type in Life360, and tap Get to download and install it on your iPhone. Everything else happens on its own in the background. That's how you install the Life360 app on an iPhone.